Uttarakhand is a state in north part of India which is formally known as Uttaranchal. It is often referred as the Devbhumi, literally known as land of gods. The winter capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun and the summer capital is Chamoli district. The chief minister of Uttarakhand is Pushkar Singh Dhami and the governor is Baby Rani Maurya. There are presently 13 districts in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is the 19th largest state of the country with an area of 53,483 square kilometers. According to 2011 census, there are 1,86,292 people in Uttarakhand, which stands it in the 21st rank of the country. The state animal of Uttarakhand is alpine musk deer and the state bird is Himalayan monal. The butterfly which represents Uttarakhand is common peacock and the state fish is known as golden mahseer and the state flower of Uttarakhand is Brahma Kamal. Uttarakhand is known as hub of religious sites with many temples in it. The famous tree hugging movement was initiated first in Uttarakhand. The oldest national park of India is situated in Uttarakhand. The Grand Tehri Dam is India's tallest dam which is located in Uttarakhand. Nainital is a charming hill station located at the foothills of Kamon ranges in Uttarakhand. Rishikesh is located in the foothills of the Himalayas along the convergence of Ganga and Chandrabhaga river. Oli is a place dotted with the apple orchids, old oaks and pine trees. There is no dearth of natural beauty in Oli. Mukteshwar is a small hill town located around 50 kilometers from Nainital in Uttarakhand. It is known for adventurous sports and a dazzling view of Himalayan ranges. Uttarakhand has a total geographical area of 53,483 square kilometers, of which 86% is mountainous and 65% is covered by forest. Uttarakhand lies on the southern slope of Himalayan range and the climate and vegetation vary greatly with an deviation of mountains and forests in Uttarakhand. There are many beautiful places in India to visit. It is also known as heaven of earth. We all belongs to one country, so we should be unity in spite of quarreling among ourselves. Thank you.